Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's DIY, I'll be making these lovely Farmhouse Easter Topiaries. They are super easy and you can get all of your supplies at Dollar Tree. If you want to see how I made these, then keep on watching. Here are the supplies you need. I will list them all in the description box down below. First, you're going to take your foam Easter egg and take the string off, and then you're going to go ahead and you're going to cut the foam egg in half. I'm using a kitchen knife, but please be very careful if you're using any sharp instrument. So once you've cut them in half, this is how they look. This is the spot, this is the pot that I'm going to be using today. I painted it white. So next you will need this cone foam, also available at Dollar Tree. So you're going to take your half and you're going to apply a good amount of glue from your glue gun onto the egg half. So be sure to press firmly onto your cone and complete, so that way it could be on there completely. And so what you're going to do is you're going to take the rest of your half eggs and you're just going to go ahead and place them around. Okay, so this is how your foam should look once all the eggs are applied. Please be sure to just save one of your eggs so that you can go ahead and apply to the top portion of your cone. To do this, you're just going to cut a 1/4 inch of the bottom of the whole egg and you're going to secure it on the top. Next, you're going to need a pack of green moss. And then you're going to go ahead and take your floral foam and just press it firmly into the flower pot. It should just fit right in securely. And that looks good. So the next thing you're going to need is your Modge Podge to apply to your foam, your cone foam. I'll be using a Q-tip to apply my Modge Podge. But you can use whatever you want, like a brush or anything like that, but I'm just using the Q-tip. So I applied the Modge Podge to the section straight at the top and just working my way down. I'm definitely not gonna lie to you, this can get a little sticky and a little messy, but I can assure you that this is gonna be a beautiful project once you're done. Next, you're gonna take your green moss and press it firmly onto the areas of the Modge Podge onto your cone. So you're going to repeat this process all the way around until you it's completely covered. So this is how your topiary is going to look once it's complete. It's absolutely gorgeous. Please forgive the low light, guys. So I'm so pleased with the way it looked. So I took my little burlap polka dot ribbon and I put it on there. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to take your glue and you're going to apply it right to that area. Make sure you put enough glue to the top so that you can put your finished and complete topiary right on top. So far, guys, I think this is looking great. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's DIY. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so already. Also, if you would like to know how I made the farmhouse chalkboard sign, I will put the video link in the description box below. Also in the comments, let me know in your comments, what is your favorite? What do you love about Easter? Just add that in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to live your life beautifully. I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.